Top 5 benefits of hydrogen peroxide for your plants and garden. Do you dream of growing healthier plants? Then consider using hydrogen peroxide. Not only is it a naturally occurring compound, but it is also quickly degraded into harmless water and oxygen. As a matter of fact, hydrogen peroxide has been found to occur in both surface and groundwater, the atmosphere, and even in the human body. Its chemical composition is the same as water, but with an extra atom of oxygen. With its natural and eco-friendly benefits, it's no wonder that hydrogen peroxide is becoming increasingly popular for garden treatments. So let's explore the top 5 benefits of using it on your plants and in the garden. Number 1. Promotes faster seed germination. Using hydrogen peroxide to soak your seeds prior to planting can be a great way to increase your germination rate and get your seeds off to a strong start. Simply add 15 milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide to every cup of water. Soak your seeds overnight and plant as usual. This additional step not only softens the seed coats, but it can also help to ensure that your seeds are free from any pathogens that may be present, providing the best chance of successful germination. Number 2. Prevents root rot. Root rot is a common problem for many gardeners. It can be caused by poor soil aeration or overwatering and can easily damage or even kill your plants. One effective way to prevent root rot is to mix 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts water and pour it over the soil with a watering can. It will help eliminate bacteria and restore oxygen levels in the soil, leading to healthier and more vigorous growth in your plants. Just be sure to wait until the soil has dried out before watering again. Number 3. Fight fungal infections. Hydrogen peroxide is a safe and natural way to combat fungal infections in your plants. It's also an effective and affordable alternative to expensive chemical treatments. All you need to do is mix 4 tablespoons of 3% hydrogen peroxide in a pint of water and spray the affected plants evenly, making sure to cover the entire surface of the plant's leaves. Do this once a week for 2 to 3 weeks, and you should start to see the infection fading away. Number 4. Keeps pests away. As a gardener, it can be disheartening to see all the hard work you put in get ruined by pesky bugs. Turns out, hydrogen peroxide is an effective way to ward off insects and keep your plants safe. Not only does it act as a repellent, but as the solution comes into contact with the soil, it starts to fizz, destroying eggs and larvae. All you need to do is mix 4 parts water with 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle and lightly spray the leaves of your plants. In no time at all, you'll have a bug-free garden and peace of mind, knowing your plants are safe from harm. Number 5. Cleans vegetables and fruits after harvesting. Hydrogen peroxide is an effective disinfectant because it has been shown to destroy a wide variety of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. So next time you're harvesting, don't forget to give your vegetables and fruits a nice wash with a solution of 3% hydrogen peroxide and water. 4 teaspoons to a liter of water will do the trick. Let them soak for a few minutes, then give them a quick rinse. Another great thing about using hydrogen peroxide to clean your produce is that it won't leave any residue behind. This means that you don't have to worry about trace contaminants that could affect taste. Hydrogen peroxide is a safe, economical, and environmentally friendly option for gardeners looking to improve the health of their plants. Not only can it be used as a disinfectant to prevent the spread of diseases, but it can also improve soil health and plant growth. By providing plants with an oxygen-rich environment, it can help promote healthy root and stem growth, increase nutrient absorption, and protect plants from fungal diseases. To sum it up, hydrogen peroxide is a great thing to have in your gardening and plant care arsenal. So go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a post.